I'm going to show you a real simple trick that makes your life in Procreate a lot easier. The trick is very simple. There's a gesture control that you can use to select layers based on this gesture. Where you tap, you can see it right here. Now I can select the red, remove the red. No need to look through all the layers, just easy select. How you enable this gesture is go to the top left settings, go to gesture controls, layer select, then enable whatever gesture you like. I use the square plus touch. I can also enable square plus Apple Pencil. And then I can just hold the square, tap to select the layers. See? Very straightforward. There's actually two ways this can work. One is with Apple Pencil, it looks like this. Let's see, hover over the layers, highlights whatever layer you're looking for. The other one would be the touch control, where you hold and tap and it selects the layer. There's multiple layers on top of each other. As you can see here, it pops up this window and you can select whatever layer you want to paint on. Hope this helps. Have a great day.